few new patients of corona with new variant. So please stay safe and work on your immunity. In fact, today I'm going to talk about a food which has a very major role in your immunity, in keeping your body immune to lot many infections. You know what? Indians have a kind of a love affair with, and that too a very long-standing love affair with certain kinds of food. And today I'm going to talk about one such kind of a very special food. But before I tell you the name of that food, let me give you some kind of a brain teaser today, or neuron teaser as I say it. And let's see if you can guess the name of the food which I am going to talk about today. So here comes a list of the hints. First hint, it's an ingredient which gives a vibrant yellow tint to the dullest dish. Second hint, it's ready to go fix or almost fix of everything in every Indian household. Third hint, it's Ayurveda's favorite. Fourth hint, can you guess what could be the fourth hint? It's a major hint. It's an anti-ingredient. Anti-ingredient means what? It's antioxidant, it's antimicrobial, it's antibacterial, it's antiviral, it's anti-inflammatory, and it's anti-carcinogenic. Lot of terms in a single sentence. Can you still guess what could be this particular ingredient? I'm sure you must have guessed by one or two hints definitely. So should I take the name? Dun, dun, dun. Here comes the superstar of the last whole year, which is almost staple to every type of the kada which you might have made during the corona kal. Yes, it's staple to the most of the kadas, and its name is, well, actually it needs no introduction, you know what, because it has earned its name on its own by itself, and it is none other than haldi or turmeric. Yes, can you believe it? Yes, how much of haldi we might have drank last year during that whole 2020 when corona was at its peak. It was almost there in our kadas, in our every kind of a food. There are a lot many videos and lot many experts are talking about it. Yes, so today I'm not going to tell you more about the haldi because you have already get very much familiar with the haldi last year itself. Today I am going to talk to you about the crude form of haldi. Now, what is the crude form of haldi? Well, it's the turmeric root or the raw turmeric, or as we call it, kachi haldi. Yes, today I am going to talk about kachi haldi. Winter is the season when there is an abundance of fresh vegetables and fruits. You get so many fruits and vegetables, and kachi haldi or raw haldi is also one of such food which is being available freshly and out in this season only. But sadly, it's not that much a part of every Indian household that it should be. And why? That is what this whole video is all about. So, watch this video till the end, because our regular viewers must be knowing that every video of mine has one showstopper trivia. And of course, there will be a showstopper trivia at the end of the video of this as well, where you would get to know that how haldi would help you immediately, raw haldi basically, raw turmeric would help you immediately to get some kind of great health benefits. So, coming back to the winter season, as we know, winter is the season of cough, cold and flus. It's the season when the environmental or the surrounding temperatures are very low, and there is a lot of infection in the air. It's also the season of pollution. Many parts of our India, especially the North India, faces a smog-like condition. So basically, you need certain things which gives you a kind of detox, as well as an immunity to ward off all such infections. And nature has some kind of an internal compass, you know. It gives you certain kinds of food which helps you to overcome the adversaries of that particular season. If you remember, I have done one video on Kartiki Ekadashi. Now what is Kartiki Ekadashi or Tulsi Puja, Chhat Puja? These are the basically the pujas which we do post Diwali. And there is a certain reason why we use sugar cane in these pujas as prasad. So if you have not checked out those videos, you can go to my Diwali playlist and definitely can watch those videos and really increase your food wisdom quotient by knowing the reason behind including these foods in that particular time. So similarly, the same logic goes for the raw turmeric or the kachi haldi, and the reason why it is being included in this particular season, or it has been made abundantly available by the nature in this particular season. So I'm also going to come up with the videos top 5 food which help you to boost your immunity and to stave off all these winter infections. And at this juncture, I definitely would like to tell you to please press on the bell icon so you get notifications of all upcoming videos and you don't miss it, because you are going to know the reasons, the real reasons behind using these ingredients and increasing your immunity. Don't forget that past year, after winter season only, Corona's second wave unfortunately struck very hard to our country. So we need not forget that Corona is still around. So we have to really increase our immunity levels by supplementing our food with these kinds of super booster, immunity modulating food like raw haldi or kachi haldi. Okay, so basically the raw haldi or the kachi haldi has loads of benefits. Now if I discuss each and every benefit in the single video, the video would be too long and it would be too much of an information overdose for you as well. You can't accumulate so much information in the single video. So I am going to come up with a series of videos on the kachi haldi so that you would understand the benefits you are getting from kachi haldi or raw turmeric better. And once your mind, when it logically understands the reason behind including any food, then only you feel motivated to really go for that food and include it in various ways in your food. So, as I have promised, today we are going to talk about only a single benefit of raw turmeric or kachi haldi. So, that single benefit is it boosts your digestion. Yes, so winter is a season when our metabolic rate is very high. You know, the rate of burning calories is high, and that's the reason that we feel so hungry so often. Like we really feel hungry and we have to eat something, and most of the time we end up snacking something not so great for a healthy like not so healthy choice or a healthy snack, or we end up having something refined or processed because it's very easy to eat it. More about healthy snacks in some other video, but right now I only want to focus about the choices we tend to make during the winter season. They might be high in calories, carbs, fats and sugar. Also, winter is a season when we attend a lot of weddings. It's a wedding season as well. Winter is a season when we go for winter vacations like during Christmas, or we may attend lots of Christmas or New Year parties. Now in all these events, or even the society picnics you might be having with your housing society, or you know, the picnics with your friends and colleagues, the picnics of the schools or the colleges, which are unfortunately right now closed down, but otherwise, like, you know, you go for lots of outdoor activities as well during the winters, because it's a high time you can go out in sun and really enjoy outdoor activities. So a lot many samaj or the societies also go for, you know, organized picnics or excursions. And again, like, you know, the kind of the food we are eating is not so healthy, and as I have said, is might be a refined or a processed food as well. So it tends to increase in a lot of calories and weight as well. But most importantly, it taxes our digestive system, because anything which is high in fats and sugars or carbs, or if it is processed, really makes our digestive system to work very hard. So if you are including some kind of a like raw haldi in your diet in some or other form, it really boosts digestion. It really kicks off that digestion and helps to digest these heavy foods better. Now comes the showstopper trivia of this video. Thank you so much for staying till this point, because you are going to get a great handy tip at this point, at this juncture, as I would say. So, if after any event where you might have eaten something which is not healthy, like the post wedding or the post reception day, or you might have gone for a vacation for a week or 10 days, and where you might have eaten and indulged yourself when you had come back, or any of the Christmas or New Year parties, the very next day you can include raw haldi in one or other form in your diet, in the whole day diet, because it would help you to detoxify. It helps to detoxify your liver. It helps to correct your immunity levels, which might have gone down because of the unhealthy food choices, or the changes in season and weathers and water, and the whole atmosphere, because you might be on vacation. And it also helps you to stave off all the calories, because it, as I said, it boosts your digestion. So anything which boosts the digestion would help in the increase of metabolic rate better. That means the rate of burning calories. So it helps in your weight management, it helps in your calorie management, it gives a boost to your immunity, and it is a detoxifying agent. So it's all in all, it's a win-win situation. So that's the showstopper trivia, that don't forget to include raw haldi in one or other form in your meal post any such kind of an event where you had eaten something unhealthy. Now, how to include this raw haldi in your meal? It's a completely separate section. Like there are many ways how you would include it. So I would just request you to stay tuned. As I have already mentioned, just by pressing the bell icon, subscribing to my channel, you would come to know about my upcoming videos, and there I am going to discuss you in detail that how you can include raw haldi or turmeric in your daily diet and get maximum health benefits out of it during this season. Also, like more on raw turmeric or haldi's benefit are going to come up in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned for them as well. If you have liked my videos, please press the like button, share the videos, so that more and more people get to know about it. It's very essential, because again we are getting a new variant of corona, as I have already said. So our antennas should be up. We should be spreading this message more and more, because it's a season as well. So people can now only can go and buy this in their sabji mandi. It won't be available later. So please share this video. And lastly, as I have said, always said, please comment on my video and share your experiences with your food, or if there is any traditional recipe where raw haldi is being used in a particular way. I would love to know about it, because it also increases my knowledge. I also get to learn something from you, and I can tell you about the benefits of your traditional recipe, like the ingredients which had been used into it. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and keep reviewing, keep shining, keep yourself healthy, and keep looking vibrant like haldi. So bye bye all friends, bye bye all family, and see you very soon. Bye.